Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. I'm doing another series of quick videos showing how to sell more on eBay. This week's quick video is what I call the white space trick. And it was an accidental discovery, as I'll show you, but a big needle mover. So let's launch straight into it. Quickly first, let me explain how I discovered this tip. To cut a long story short, over the years, we've been asked by eBay to beta test various different new features. And one of the features we got asked to test on 2 different occasions was the ability to run paid ads below competitors' eBay listings. Like, for example, take this listing for a caravan light. If I scroll down to just below the bottom of this eBay listing, eBay shows me similar items that might interest me. Well, here's the point. Over the years, eBay has allowed me to place paid advertising right here below my competitors' listings, and these ads have done really well. This taught me a big lesson and got me thinking. The big lesson, of course, was if you're advertising, then it's a fantastic place to advertise. However, if you're not advertising, if you're just listing something on eBay, you don't want buyers seeing all these ads for other listings or competitors' listings. So how do you stop buyers from seeing all these ads? The answer is actually very simple. This is the very bottom of this eBay listing description. All you have to do is add 1.5 pages of white space to the very bottom of your eBay listing description. What happens then is, when a buyer goes to your eBay listing, they scroll to the bottom of your listing and they see just white space. And they think there's no more information, and therefore no reason to scroll down any further. So they simply scroll back up, as opposed to seeing the competitors' listings and possibly clicking on one of those listings. And then they can be gone forever. So in a nutshell, the reason for the 1.5 pages of white space below your eBay listing is to simply push all those competitors' listings down further so your buyers don't see your competitors' listings. Of course, there will be some people who will scroll down past your 1.5 pages of white space, but the majority won't, and we've tested this with third-party software. If you also want to know how to quickly find items that have sold over 1,000 times on eBay, make sure you watch this video up here, and I'll put a link below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, as it encourages me to make more of these videos. Until next week, less more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.